Deciding on how to choose which word course level to do can sometimes be a little bit daunting. This is what I'll take you through in this podcast. My name's Analia Pisani from AZ Solutions. So if you're thinking, okay, I need to work with Word, but I'm so completely new to it, I haven't played around with it much, then you're an introduction person. How are you at your basic formatting? Making things bold, italics, changing font. Maybe you do it, but you're not sure, is this the right way to do it? Is there a quicker way of doing it? Maybe you try and do some printing, but the printing just doesn't print out the right number of pages or the piece of the page that you want. Then introduction is the best course for you. At the intermediate level, you're looking at creating documents that use columns or setting tabs, or avoid tabs and create tables wherever you can. If this is something that you need to achieve but you struggle, then Word Intermediate is for you there. Do you need to create a cover page or insert spreadsheets or graphs into your Word document? Then an intermediate level course is what will help you achieve that. At an advanced level, we're talking about more advanced formatting. So styles is what you'll be learning and using in an advanced course. Styles are great if you're dealing with a large document, 100 pages or more, really 20 pages or more even, is very handy to be using styles. If you find yourself needing to create templates for people and work with fields, then Word Advanced is going to help you out there. I'm going to take you in a bit more depth as to what exactly is covered at an introduction level. So at an introduction level for Word, we'd cover, okay, let's open up Word. What am I looking at? What is this thing that I'm looking at? So the names of things like your ribbon. Understanding the logic of how items were put together or grouped in the ribbon. Navigation techniques and selection techniques. We'll show you how to create a basic Word document, save it, create templates, a basic template, just so that you understand the difference between save and save as well. The different mouse pointers that you get, having an understanding of if you position them in different places, how they change, why they change, what does this mouse pointer mean over this other different one. So take you through all the different ones. Cut, copy and paste. Again, sometimes people already know, or they say, yep, I know how to cut, copy and paste, but we'll show you all the techniques so you've got all your bases covered. Undo, redo, formatting, using the Format Painter, which is a great tool that you can use across Word, Excel, Outlook, across all of your Microsoft Office packages as well. What the Format Painter does, it says, okay, I've got this bold and italics and red. Rather than memorizing the shade of red that I've got and the bold and the italics, I can use the Format Painter and apply the same formatting again and again and again. It's great if you've got styles, so you can apply the same styles again and again as well. Using the superscript, the subscript, changing things to uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, setting the default fonts, working with paragraph formatting like alignment, aligning left, right, center, but also the spacing between your paragraphs, working with bullets and numbering and borders and shading, and then making sure that you can proofread your document and print it out how you want it. All of this would be covered in a Word introduction. At an intermediate level, we're taking a look at things like playing with creating tables. Now, when you create tables, yes, you can go insert table and then pick all the squares there, but there's so much more to tables than just that option. There are various other options for creating tables. For example, you can create an Excel table. So if you need to do the multiplying, dividing, subtracting, you don't have to go to Excel, create it in Excel, then copy it, then come back here and paste it. You can have it all in Word. And we can take you through that process. Doing mail merges. Mail merges now, people love to outsource that sort of thing, but if you need to do something pretty basic like make up some stickers or even do your own letter, we'll take you through the mail merge. Setting tabs, I would avoid setting tabs whenever I can, and I'd do tables instead, but sometimes it's unavoidable and you do want that decimal tab marker. Going through that, so working with columns, setting up your columns and column breaks, using features where little snippets of words or phrases that you use again and again in your documents, and rather than finding a previous old document, copying it and then coming here and then pasting it, you can have like a build of a whole bunch of key words, phrases or paragraphs that you use quite often, and it even keeps all the formatting as well. So you could even have a whole table as part of it's called quick parts. And another part that we can take you through is creating hyperlinks and inserting icons and taking screenshots. That's all at a Word intermediate level. At a Word advanced level, we deal more about the formatting. So formatting with the styles, various things with the styles, and creating templates and fields for these templates. Mail merge, again, we can cover in here in a little bit more depth. Working with outline view, this is a place where you can work to reorder sections, modules of your document. Word Advanced is for when you're dealing with lots of pages and pages of Word documents, so about 20 to 100 to more, then an advanced level is what's going to suit you. Creating a table of contents, indexing, bookmarking, cross-referencing, all of those kinds of things would be at an advanced level. And we could also create a macro. So let's say at the bottom of your document you needed to stamp it with the date or your name, and you have to do this for 20 documents. You could create a macro to achieve that. So that's the sort of things that we would cover in the different levels. You might like to subscribe to further podcasts or have a look at my YouTube channel, Annalie Pisani. Thank you for listening.